Oh, I'm on? This is Everest Science with breaking news. Wow! Police are on the scene in the Eastern District of the island of New Providence, where it is reported that 3 families, Mrs. Kellogg's and her children Snap, Crackle, and Pop, Mr. and Mrs. Nestle Cheerios, along with their recently retired great-granduncle, General Mills, were all found spooned to death and lying in a pool of milk. Lord, what's happening on this island? According to Extra Superintendent Nail It appears as if we have a serial killer on the island of New Providence.